This is the finished product of my dinner. Look how that looking good, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Friday to you all. Hope you all are having a blessed and productive day. Yes, hope you all have a blessed and productive day. It's that time of year again. Christmas time is just around the corner. Yeah, so today is Friday and I'm going to cook some pig's tail with chicken foot, that is stew peas with some white rice, guys. Yes, that is what I'm going to prepare today Friday. Yeah, so guys, stick and stay with the Smith's World TV. All right, yeah man. So subscribe to the channel, guys, if you're new here, if you're watching now, and if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like up all the videos. You can go back and watch all the videos that is out there, and also our live. All right, so yeah, today on Friday I'm gonna cook up some pig tail with some chicken foot and white rice, stew peas, of course. Yeah, so yeah man, as I said before, watch all the videos. Yeah, watch it out. Oh, I was going to say later, but guys, you know it's the Christmas season and I'm going to bake my Christmas cake, Jamaican black fruit cake. Yeah, so if you want to order as well, you can check me, link me up, guys. It's an annual thing for me to bake my cake and sell it as well. So yes, so stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so here I have my peas, my garlic and pimento cooking. And I have my pig tail over here. I soak it already. Yes, so I'm just going to cook it now. Yeah. And my chicken foot is over here, clean up and all of that. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. So guys, I'm going to steam my peas. I'm going to throw some more water. Put some more water. Drink some water, guys, because you start drinking up a lot of water. And I can't drink the room temperature water, guys. I have to drink the ice water, cold ice water. Room temperature water just tastes insipid. Alright guys, I'm going to throw out some of the water on the mix here and fetch back some more water. That's it, guys. I don't want the pig tail to be solid. So I'm going to throw the water there. That's the first water. And then I'm going to put it back. Put it back on the stove. So I'm going to salt pig tail enough. Put some water in it. Please put some more water. Just me ever close the guys while over. Alright guys, so we're going to check in on our peas pot. And the peas is getting there. Start to mash, guys. So you know, so it's gonna cook. Alright, that's what you want. And I'm checking on the pigtail salt. Yep. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to take our pigtail, take it out of that and put it on this table. Right guys, we're going to put it in our next pot because the pot here too small. Alright guys, see, after transfer the meat into a different pot because the pot was too small. Alright, so this is my stew please. It is coming along pretty good. You know, more that to cook down some more. Look how that looking good guys. Just bubbling. Alright guys, so I'm going to need my dumpling at this time. This is what I call spinners guys, making my spinners. Alright, so I'm going to make them, put them in the pot. Don't want it to be sticking at the bottom too much guys. Guys, I want to with us over here because you have to be careful as we burn it into it. You know, like that, guys. Look at that. Alright, guys, I have some pimento seeds that I'm going to crush. To crush it in this. This guy is so heavy. Alright, so we're going to put it in our these. Flavor guys. This is giving flavor. Alright guys, we are going to get our scallion and onion cut up. Alright guys, so this is the finished product of my dinner. I'm not going to eat it as yet, that's why I put it in this plate here. Yep. So this is the authentic Jamaican style stew piece guys. Look at that, and my cucumber at the side. Guys, this is delicious, honestly. It's tasting good. Alright, so please remember to like this video, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to go and watch to Miss World TV. Peace and love to you all.